Hey there, this is Alex from 3D Chimera. I'm here live at the RAPID trade show in Boston, visiting one of our favorite vendors here, Axtra3D. Here we go. We got Greg here.
Hey, Alex.
How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
All right. Can you show us a little bit about what you got going on?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the Axtra3D Lumia X1. It is a hybrid printer that integrates both SLA and DLP into our print process. What that does is it gives us the dimensional accuracy and surface resolution typically associated with SLA at the speed typically associated with DLP. So we get the benefits of both light sources with the detriments of neither one.
Awesome. And you guys got the whole ecosystem going on here, right?
Yes, sir. We have the printer, we have the cure system, 4 different types of agitation, running TPM and DPM for wash solutions. It also dries the parts. And so one of the premises of what we try to do is make sure that once you remove the build from the printer, you never have to come in contact with liquid resin after you put it in the wash.
Oh,
so
nice.
So we dry the parts. So once the parts have been dried in the wash, we actually bring them over to the cure. The cure can actually cure 355, 385, and 405 nanometer light wavelengths at the same time. The chamber can be heated to 60 degrees Celsius. It's also afforded a nitrogen input, so if you want to cure in an inert environment. And the bottom is actually a programmable oven that's good to 250 degrees Celsius.
Holy cow, that thing sounds awesome.
Yeah.
All right, can you show us a couple of parts you guys have built on these systems?
Yeah, absolutely.
So I know one of the incredible things about this technology is the surface finish on these.
So I was just going to say, one of the things that we talk about is the surface finish that we get from on our parts. Now, this is a textured surface, so this is the surface that people care about. The real interesting part about this part is the surface that nobody cares about, and that's the back surface. Because this is our natural surface finish, and this is what the SLA affords us to do. It gives us the ability to create extremely accurate, extremely smooth surface finishes on our parts. So whether it's end-use parts or things like this or electrical connectors, you can see that this is a metallized part, but it hasn't been post-processed. That surface finish is natural, and you just get that mirror finish because of the chrome plating.
Right, okay, so the magic is the combination of the SLA and the DLP technology.
Yes, sir.
Love that. What kind of material are we looking at on these connectors here?
So I believe that is Loctite 3843. So that's kind of going to be like an ABS-like, 43% elongation at break, good general purpose resin. We also have a UL94 V0 rated material here.
Oh, wow.
By Arkema. It's FR512. So it's an excellent material because it prints super fine on our printer. It's good to 170 degrees Celsius. The only downside to it is it's a 5% elongation at break, so it's a little rigid.
Well, fair. All right, now I know you guys also have like an incredible workflow to produce molds. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's actually really no different than printing any of these parts. Okay. So we just we print molds on the system, just like we print dentures or end-use parts. We can go see the molds over here. Oh, this is actually not to on a tangent. This is a really cool new material. This is a food-safe material.
Oh, heck yeah.
It's good for dry food contact for 24 hours.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, let's go check out those molds. All right.
So we have a wide variety of mold solutions. So whether it's something like this, where we're doing like styrofoam package forming, this is a steam mold, so it takes little styrofoam pellets and it actually uses steam to adhere them together. We have a blow mold here. This is a really cool shoe mold. So a low temperature, low pressure polyurethane shoe mold for like polyurethane foam.
And these finishes are right out of the machine?
Right out of the machine.
Wow, that's incredible.
So in addition to our hybrid light engine, one of the things that really gives us the ability to generate these surface finishes is our layer creation and separation technology that we call TrueLayer. TrueLayer is primarily comprised of 3 components. A dual gantry system that allows us an even press across the build platform, allowing us a consistent layer thickness, layer by layer. A flexible membrane on the material cartridge and then a piece of glass that slides back and forth that gives us the glass surface finish on our final surfaces.
Love that. That's awesome, man. That's pretty cool. And you guys are actually doing some live molding here at the show?
We are actually, yeah.
Get out of here. This is crazy. So you got a benchtop molding machine here, right?
Yep, by APSX.
Oh yeah, awesome. These are cool. There's actually a partner at 3D Chimeras as well.
So you can see some of the parts that we've injected. I think we've probably done over 100 parts over the last few days.
Oh wow.
All very consistent, all polypropylene.
And all these are done on your ceramic mold?
All of them are done on the ceramic mold, and actually all of them have been shot with one single mold. So this mold that we use, you can see this right here.
Oh, this is actually it?
This is the mold right here. It's a little dirty, but this mold has probably seen over 1,000 shots. So
wow.
I'll put through it.
Oh wow, that's super cool. Very good, man. Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, everybody. Well, if you have any questions about Axtra3D, you're doing any kind of resin printing, trying to get super high resolution, or maybe investigating the injection molding application where we're actually 3D printing those molds, we'd love to chat with you at 3D Chimera. Don't hesitate to reach out. All right, thanks a lot.